Hi everybody. Yeah, today I'm going to show you guys how to replace the outer tie rod and the inner tie rod boot on 2007 ACURA TXS. Okay, let's get started. And សួស្តីបងប្អូនទាំងអស់គ្នា Yeah ថ្ងៃនេះខ្ញុំចង់បង្ហាញបងប្អូនពីរបៀបបដូរដៃចង្កូតខាងក្រៅហើយនឹងboot ចង្កូតខាងក្នុង អូខេបងប្អូនចូលរួមទស្សនាបងប្អូនគ្នាហើយនេះis a tie rod boot and the outer tie rod look like. Okay, let's start it.
What's some of that shit like in the background? Oh, okay. Good, man. Trying to get this money shut up. Why? What's wrong with you? Nothing wrong with women.
Yeah, crack loose the bolt,
Yeah, okay.
number 19 millimeter.
What you mean by that?
Hey បងប្អូនអរហើយកុំភ្លេចរាប់ជុំចំនួនជុំ
Well, we keep giving the impression that everything is good, maybe we should know things are bad.
Cái đồ nó rất là lạnh mà nó kia còn mẹ coi mà kia hỏi nhưng mình đứng
You know what happened? You know what happened with you the last time?
you see the tie rod boot look like here.
I'm keeping my stuff. No, right. No, because and as soon
Go to cut this one
and
leg.
as soon as that shit happens, everything will change. Right.
Come.
Right.
Okay.
Right.
Right now we going to put the new boot on it.
Right.
ឥឡូវនេះខ្ញុំចាប់ផ្ដើមដាក់ boot ថ្មីចូលណា
Right.
នេះ boot ថ្មី
Listen, Tom Brady's going to the Super Bowl, but it ain't going to be the Tom Brady show. Believe that. Listen. Now, if they can stay in the game until the third quarter when Brady warms up and wakes up, because you got to remember, Brady's a whole new dude, so he's not going to come out swinging in the first or second quarter. You know what I mean? He ain't gonna come out swinging until like the third quarter. But if the Buccaneers can stay in it until the third quarter, they got a chance of doing something. But if they get blown out right away, it'll just be a wrap.
Chơi gây phát gì? Để phát gì?
Right. Mm-hmm. Right. Exactly. He knows that. He already knows that. Because we already went up against them the one year when the Patriots Kansas City like 3 years ago when No, I'm not talking about Kansas City. I'm talking about the last time we won a Super Bowl, we went up against Kansas City, right?
Điều của bạn đã đi bóng.
We won it. No, it was the year before or something like that there. Right. Yeah, but 2 years ago we played the Chiefs, didn't we?
Okay, trông lại.
I'm gonna look it up when I get off the phone. I'm gonna look it up when we get off the phone. That's when we came alive in the third quarter. Well, this is the one. I just don't know how Brady's gonna fit. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Oh yeah, that'll just be the old passing the torch to the young. You know what I mean? It don't matter as long as the Buccaneers don't get blown out. Brady did everything he was supposed to do. As long as they don't get blown out, everything that Brady wanted to put the Belichick and everybody else, the job will be done. And right now, we don't even have a quarterback. Patriots. Brady, anybody that was a Patriots fan right now is a Buccaneers fan. Well, you know what I mean. You know what I mean when I say that.
It's almost done, guys. You see the boot already installed, and we just put the new tie rod out, the tie rod in. It should be good to go. And make sure all of you, after you replace the tie rod, you need to do alignment for it. យកបងប្អូនអរគ្នាអានេះខ្ញុំដាក់ប៊ូថ្មីចូលហើយឥឡូវខ្ញុំរៀបចំដាក់ដៃចង្កូតខាងក្រៅចូលវិញតែបងប្អូនកុំភ្លេចណាបន្ទាប់ពីបដូរដៃចង្កូតខាងក្រៅឬខាងក្នុងក៏ដោយត្រូវទៅធ្វើត្រូវ alignment ទៅឲ្យគេខ្លងតង់ឲ្យត្រង់មកវិញណា
And then cut him like that there. That dude's a beast when he's healthy, bro. And if that dude can play on next Sunday, man, listen. And that was another determining factor, I think, on Brady making his decision on him staying with the Patriots or not, because they didn't want to get the personnel around him to let him himself. And I hear where Brady's at now, they let him do a lot of the play calling and shit. I'm like, no, he wasn't able to do his own shot calling here with the Patriots. He wanted to have more of an input on some of the play calling and shit. Cause I mean, look how long he's been doing it. Who else to call plays than the man himself?
Nhưng hay là tụi tôi được sáng từ lọc trường của mình hoa complete.
I don't mean that. I never chilled in the counter PBU before.